Hi, this is Marty with the Dougherty, and like I said, day by day. That loud noise you're hearing in the background is the AC because Mother Nature bestowed Florida with a healthy sun. And this year we got a healthier sun for the warmer, but this is in between the rains and we had these heavy downpours coming up, and I figured I repotted this because pulling the weeds out of my climbing cactus is a tedious job. You have to go slow. And when you look at this, you really don't see that many pins coming out from the edge. Let me get you a little closer. You see those little white spots? That's what these little minute thorns are. I call them thorns. They're like poinsettias. It's basically like taking a pin, put it into a cactus, and pointing it out, but it's a very thin pin. So when you work with these little darlings, the best idea is to hold a pair of gloves handy and have them put on, which I never do. And that's why I run inside and get some cortisone, I get some Neosporin to put on my wound. So what we're looking at is my climbing cactus. I have one on a tree outside. This is a pot of one. I thought it was just too cute. I just broke out the big pot because it's infested with weeds. And weeds love growing cactus because they know what they're going to pull them out, because you're going to get stuck with all the pins on the little edges. So, but the flower it produces is a beautiful flower. But I had 3 over the last month, and I have yet to get a picture of the actual flower blooming. I get it when it's coming up, and I get it when it droops down and says, "Okay, you missed me, Marty. Try that one more time." But anyway, we're getting close. We'll get there. Eventually, I will get a picture of the flower. I thought I had one from my old pictures, but I missed it in the past. And hopefully, we'll get some new ones coming up in the next couple of weeks. Right now, I had 3 or 4 on the tree, and Mother Nature let them bloom before Marty got a chance to take a picture and see what the bloom looks like. Marty's going to try and head of the game. So there's 3 or 4 pictures on this year, but just stopping by, say hello, leave a comment. Do you have any pictures? I know you can't add a picture to YouTube, but I think they frown upon adding stuff and they something out of it. So thank you. Stop by. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get 1,000. And thank you. Bye-bye.